Hey, good evening. So I've got this nice little cute S puncture from the motorcyclist company, and I've purchased this from Letz Ride. This is basically a handy small puncture kit, puncture repair kit, which one can use on tubeless tires. Let me open it and show you what we get in this. So here, obviously, firstly there is a note, and the note is talking about what is the warranty, what are the spare parts, user instructions, and being a elite member, what do you get. So this is the logo of the brand, now available at Letz Ride store in Mumbai. The product is called Spuncture. It's a puncture repair kit for tubeless tires. And let's move on to the product. So I've ordered this separately. These are basically the rubber lines which go inside. But in the kit, which is this, let's see what you get. It's a handy kit. Let me move the box. There's nothing in the box. But let me show you what size it is. So it is basically palm size. So it opens from one side. Okay, it keeps opening. Yes, there it is. It opens from the other side. Okay, this also keeps opening. So you can remove the various elements that come along with this. Yeah, so this comes with the lines which are inserted to hold your puncture, the rubber tubes. Comes with a screwable, so there is a screw nut here. You can make the hole and put this along with this line, this rubber liner. It goes inside of this particular hole, like how we put the thread in the needle, and then you insert that and remove it. This is basically a screw which you can just push it and make the hole reasonably large enough for this to be inserted along with this tube. Then it comes with a blade where you can cut this particular tube to size so that it doesn't come over and above the tire. And this is where you have the nail remover and the screw nut remover. So that is how the kit is. You can actually just tighten it on this so it becomes the holder. The kit box becomes the holder, so you can screw it, remove it. You can insert this and tighten it again to push the liner inside.